What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video on the Yoshi Shark. Now it will definitely get used again this next year in 2026 season, which is it's definitely what it is like on this machine, because you do really like this thing because you see, because it did get used since this year in 2025, as you see, because you see how much it's better. Because if you look at this thing right here, because you can see it's definitely how much I expected this thing like just definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. So you see definitely how much I expected this thing will definitely get used during the season this year, because I do kind of like this thing a lot. Because I mean, here's one thing, because one thing I do is something like this, because if you use something like this much, you can see, because respect to how the same exactly is gonna get used during the season this year, I do like the same a lot, because you see how much expected this thing exactly, because it's also it's an automatic, which automatic means it just goes by itself completely. You can see, because it's not how much we expected to see. Because if you just take a look at this, like I mean, it's really bigger than in my opinion. Because even though it's definitely how much we expected, this thing's like it just definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. So definitely will get used during the season this year, next year in 2026 in my opinion. But I was a bit surprised this thing got used this year for 2025 exactly, which definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. So you definitely how much expected this thing exactly, which if I was on basically using this machine like here exactly, so it will definitely get used again next year in 2026 his pool season, which I definitely how much expected this thing, so definitely will get used again next year.